For sale. And what do we open this up here? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. If you can't see me, it's a little dark on the shadows, but we have some American modified tail lights. Now, these are for the Civic, and obviously we love our American modified grill, and they decided to send us out some LED sequential tail light. These things are sweet. These are smoked and they're sequential, so that means when you're on the startup, it gives a little animation, and when you're turning and stuff like that. So pretty sweet stuff. I mean, look at these. Look at these. Clean. I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this real quick, and then we're gonna slap it on the car. Shouldn't take longer than 10 minutes. And then we're gonna go work out. Probably gonna work out in the garage tonight. Yeah, garage should be fine, to be honest. So yeah. To the install, look how beautiful these are. These are actually quite nice looking, and all these little LEDs in the center light up and do some cool effect as well. So pretty interested to see how this works. Guys, if you don't know, little side note, the truck is for sale. 25,000 or best offer. I've had a few bites on it. No one's serious, a lot of tire kickers. Never say anything's perfect, but the truck is for sale. So supposedly some guy is coming from Augusta, not sure if it's today or not, to come look at it, but we shall see. So all right, first you can take out these right here. These should be an 8mm bolt, 8mm bolt, and then repeat the same step on that side. And then you're gonna get your trim remover tool. You're gonna come under here. Oh, mine's plastic. Oh, it went way over there. But you're just gonna come under here and then take out these little trim tabs right here. All right, don't know if you can see. Hold up. I'm gonna go ahead and take off these 8mm bolts. And now what you can do is gently pry back and forth on the tail light, but it comes out this way. So you should be good. You might feel like you're gonna break it, but I promise you won't. And with the new. All right, check it out. Once you have all these connectors out, you're going to simply unplug the bulbs and then plug in the correct thing and then twist it in. Very, very simple. Next, you're gonna get this rubber grommet. Go ahead and remove that, and then install this. I'm assuming this would be the sequential LED wire right through the trunk. All right, now once you have your wire in here, you're just gonna pull it all through, and then you can go ahead and reinstall that grommet once you have it all through. All right, now boys and girls, we're gonna get our 10mm. And we're gonna come right here. All right, next, go ahead and feed both your wires. Try this one hand because the lighting is terrible. Go ahead and feed both your wires in here, just like so. And then we'll fish our wire out and connect it all.
I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through the phase. Nobody see my face. I was chasing at the paper. Been on it for the ways. With everything again. Ain't nothing left to lose. I've been breaking rules. I've been making moves. With everything to prove. Now it's going how I see it through my lens. But it's stuck in my head. I can't seem to get away from it. I went out of my way.
All right, boys and girls, we got that done and it looks amazing. So we're gonna hop onto the driver's side, and I'll pick you up right after we're done, and then we can give you a solid little review, and then hopefully at dusk I can take a few more clips, and then it'll be nice. And let's go.
I wishing we never met. I'm scared of being without you. Afraid no one ever know me. I'm at the edge, and I can't get inside of my head.
Woo, these things look so sweet, guys. This really popped off the look of the car for sure, especially being smoked. Turn them off and they just look amazing. It really sets up the car with the black wheels, black accents wheels, black marker lights. It just looks amazing. So huge shout out to American Modified. They are the greatest when it comes to like aftermarket parts, accessories, splitters, blips, grills, lighting accessories. They're the greatest. So if you really want to cop these lights for yourself, make sure you drop a like and subscribe and hit that link in the description, and it'll bring you right to these lights free of charge. You don't have to search the website, just click the link below and it'll bring you right to these lights. These are the sequential smoked for the 16 to 20 Civic sedans and hatchbacks. I'm pretty sure the hatchbacks are the same, but yeah, so these are pretty sweet. Huge shout out to American Modified. If you did like today's video, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And we have plenty more truck content on the way as well. We have a new truck coming. Like I said, if you watched last video, it's gonna be nice. But I'll talk to you guys next time.
I need the ice and the cream. Kicking shit, need a car, Billie Jean. Saying gang come with a box of beans. I be high and I'm fine to sing. Money bulging and buzz out of jeans. Man, I need me a fat ass squeeze. Hold a piggy, I'm sipping my lane. And baby, it is what it seems. I'm on a whole nother level for sure.